Keep in mind these 8 things when trying to create a great video or presentation. Who is your general audience and what are you wanting them to get from this project? Scripting is of the utmost importance for your project and for the audience. Storyboarding sets you up for success. That way you know the beginning, middle, and end of your project. Be steadfast in your research so you will know what visual and sound elements are required. Make sure you cite the source when using copyrighted images. Organize your images and save them in a folder for easy access. Don't let nifty editing and transitions get in the way of telling the story. Focus on the content and make sure to explain your reasoning.